wishing you the beautiful sleep that you're entitled to, that lives within you, just like the beauty of the earth and sky surrounds you. Inside is a peaceful, harmonious system designed to give you the deepest, most restful sleep, restoring you physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. It is yours for the taking. Prepare yourself in these ways. Find yourself deeply falling into your body by noticing your breath. And some of the things to avoid: alcohol, especially before bed, is disruptive, like caffeine, to your sleep. Hard exercise is disruptive. Anything emotionally upsetting, disruptive. Make you a priority. And there's things you can do to keep yourself settled and calm, like meditations, CBD oil for sleep, golden milk recipe for a deep sleep. It's an Aryuvedic recipe. I'll add. And if you grew up in a household with children's adverse effects, I'll post the ACEs score, and you can see how your childhood could have affected what you're living right now. And find yourself resting in your breath. Focusing on the feeling from the inside. Notice how you can play with the breath. Deepen it. Fill it. Fast, slow, deeper. You can hold it. You can push it out. Let it come into the rhythm of a deep, slow fullness, almost like the earth's heartbeat, like the sun rising. Let the magnificence of your breath take you deep inside. Let the belly swell with the breath. Let your attention and focus be on it. Let it take you deeper, deeper. Let it send you off into a beautiful sleep. Namaste.